actually mental. Ooh. Good morning, guys. I'm whispering because I'm just outside on the balcony of my apartment. But welcome to day 2. This is technically day 2 of Cuba. We arrived last night, but we dropped our bag off. We got in quite late. Our flight was delayed. We dropped our bag off and then we went out, and it was like really nice. It was so cool. Like we went out with locals. Yes, we just. Oh, do you mind? I'm trying to vlog here. So many things to ignore. Number 1, the barking dog. Number 2, the spot on my forehead and my headscarf because I'm just laying my edges. Let me show you guys my day 1 outfit. It's nothing terribly exciting. I'm going to take this headscarf off, but I've just got a little crop top, shorts and sandals and my little bum bag there, and obviously I've got my gold hoops. Guys, it's Rachel G. You look so summery. You look so nice coming up those stairs. Yes, we're going on a tour today. We're going on the old Havana tour. I think so, but I'll show you guys what we're doing. I'm really excited. I'm so like happy to be here. I feel like really calm and like in my happy place. Let me show you guys a quick tour of downstairs. Doesn't this give you like Moroccan vibes? Salsa lesson. It was so fun, like really fun. I'll insert clips of us salsa-ing, and now we're walking to the beach. Okay, so I've realised trying to take pictures and trying to vlog is proving, and trying to hold on to my bag is proving very tough. So I think I'm going to vlog for now, and then we can do pictures later. Oh my god, guys, look how stunning. Oh my god.
This is some like political.
Hi guys, we're just getting ready to go out. I haven't got any makeup on because I haven't got enough time, number 1, and number 2, I only brought enough makeup to tan, and the weather was really bad today, so I didn't get a tan, so no makeup for me. Khaki bralette, and then these trousers from Misguided with the chain detail. The club we're going to tonight is called 1830 because we had salsa lessons this morning, so it's like a salsa club. That's what Dami's wearing. She looks really pretty and
thank you.
Girly and ready to salsa. Probably won't vlog tonight, so I'm going to say bye for day 1 or day 2. Day 1, day 2. And I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Morning! Welcome to day 2. Day 3 technically of Cuba. Today we're doing tours. It's really sunny today. The weather was not great yesterday, but today it's 30 degrees and the sun is out. She got absolutely destroyed yesterday on odds. But she's back for round 2.
No.
Hi guys, I'm squinting because it's very bright out here. But we took a little road trip. We are now in Trinidad, which is another part, not Trinidad and Tobago, like Trinidad, the other part of Cuba. It's really colourful. It's like quite a small town. But we're here for the next couple of days. Hair's a mess, but we had good sun today. The views on this terrace aren't too crazy, but I'll show you what I can see. This is our little hostel. This is overview of the hostel. This place is so aesthetically pleasing. This is our leader. This is our actual real leader. This is my sister. Okay, you did a lot. This is Dami. She was in the... I wore a red bikini, so Dami wore a red bikini. Oh, obviously. And now we're bikini twins. Yeah, this is my look tonight. Very busy all of a sudden. Morning, guys! Let me fill you in on my time in Trinidad so far because there's been a little gap since we last spoke. Basically, my phone got stolen last night at the beach by some really lovely people. So basically have had barely any sleep because we had to go to the police station and like it still didn't get sorted. We're gonna have to go back today and give statements and stuff. So that's what's happening, but it's all good because I've got my camera. Worst comes to worst, I'll take photos on this and the vlogging can still continue. It's not too bad, but obviously it's like really sad because it's my phone and it's got my pictures and stuff on it, but like it's just the phone at the end of the day. So I'm just gonna carry on enjoying myself, but hopefully more vlogging today. We're going to the beach today, should be really beautiful, so we get some cool shots of the beach. I don't know if you can even hear me because of all these cars, but we're just going to the hotel to get some Wi-Fi, and then I'm gonna hopefully wipe my phone remotely so that like, because I have like private stuff on there, just so if anything happens they don't have like my details, and then they can sell the phone if that's what they want to do with it. Welcome to another day in paradise. Guys, check out my mini moto. How cool is this car? Currently sitting in the coolest car ever. Just give you a quick update. Went to the police station, was a mess, literally could not get anything done, and literally it's like 3 o'clock now, so the day is basically gone, so I'm just gonna chill out, enjoy the rest of the day. I've basically done what I could have done now with regards to the phone. Welcome to another day in Trinidad. Today I'm here with my dress twin. We are going to the waterfall, we're going horseback riding. Those are the main activities of the day. But currently we're just on this swing, enjoying life.
As you do.
Loving life. Here's to another great day. Do I look like I'm a sexy senorita?
Yeah, you definitely look like a sexy senorita.
I've been an absolute shocking vlogger because I don't think I vlogged at all yesterday. So the last... Oh! Hola! Say hola, Alex!
Hola, chicas!
The last thing I vlogged I think was horse riding, which was 2 days ago. But today is a new day and so I'm going to vlog today so you guys can see what we're up to. We just came to this amazing food place that I want to show you guys because the decor is unreal.
Bought you flowers.
Oh, thank you, baby. just finished editing the Cuba footage, and I first of all, I know it's been a good couple of months. Obviously I went to Cuba like mid-March and we have just entered August, so I know it took me a good few months to edit it, but it's just really just a recap, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. But obviously I edited it and I realised that I didn't film an outro, so I thought I'd pop on here and quickly outro the video and just say I hope you liked it. I hope you loved seeing like my kind of insight, my little view on Cuba. I had the most amazing time. I loved Havana, but my heart really is in Trinidad. I'm already like planning my next trip. I'm already like itching to get back. It was honestly such a wonderful trip, and definitely one of my favourite places that I've been to in the world. Quick mention of my lip. I'm wearing the matte lip conditioner. So random. I don't really ever wear like just like lip products as like a lip gloss, but this, I absolutely love this. I'll leave it linked down below. It's one of my favourites at the moment. I definitely wanted to mention that. I got mine from ASOS Face and Body, so I'll link it. I've got one more vlog coming from Budapest, when I went to Budapest with Liz, and then I think that's all my travel content for the year. Oh, and I've also got Bali coming, but I'm not going till November, so that won't be out for a good few months, and then I think that'll be it for the 2 travel vlogs. One of my things was I really wanted to travel a lot this year, but I did, like by my 4th trip I realised travel content is so difficult to kind of be in the moment and also vlog as well, and I tried my best. Obviously I did the Amsterdam vlog. You guys are going to get Cuba, you're going to get Budapest, and then you're going to get Bali. I feel like that's about 50% of the travel I've done this year, so I feel like that's a good insight into my travel year. Definitely let me know guys down below what you'd love to see. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one, and sorry if it's been noisy. I've got the window open because it's bloody boiling. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Bye.